Can you see the question? Question number 2, yeah? Now write a sequence of instructions to set bit number 7 to 0 of register R0. Similar to question 1, but now we want to set. Question 1 we want to clear. Now we want to set. So now you can guess already what is the instruction you need to use. So anyone? Give the answer. Guess the answer. Yes, correct, wrong. Use all. Alright? Use all. Okay? So now back to this. Let's okay. All right. Can you see the whiteboard now? Yes, use all. Okay. So for example, we have in R0. Okay, inside R0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hexadecimal, yeah. So this is hexadecimal, 32 bit. So this question asks you to set these two to 1 bit, to bit 1. All of bit in bit number 0 to bit number 7 here to 1, meaning that after you run the instruction, you will have R0 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F. Okay, so this is the result. So how to do that? You use all. Okay. So this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You always this one. You always 0 to preserve the number, right? For example, 1 you always 0. So you have 0, 0, 0, 1. You always 0. You will have, right? So 1 you always 0. You will have 1 back. 2 you always 0. You will have 2 back. So until 6 we always 0. So we will have this number back. And here we always 1. So for example, 7 always F. So 7 is 1, 1, 1, 1. You always 1, 1, 1, 1. So what you will have? You will have 1 here, 1, 1, 1. So you will have F, right? And 8 always F. 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. You always F. You will have 1, 1, 1, 1. So now you have F. All right? So this is how you set any bit inside the register to 1. All right. So for example, you want to set not bit number 0 to bit number 7, but bit number, for example, these 2 digits. All right. Okay. So you need to identify. So you need to always 1, 2, the number. So we want to set these 2, right? This 8 bit or 2 hex digit to 1. So here you need to always 0, 0, F, F, 0, 0, 0, 0. All right. So at the end you will have 1, 2, F, F, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So you can or set any bit in your register to 1. Let me give you another example. For example, we have a 8-bit register only. Easier, 32-bit is too big. So for example, we have 8-bit register. Right? Our register is 8-bit only. Okay. 8-bit. All right. Now we want to clear. So let's right in binary. Yeah. Let's for example we have this inside our 8-bit register. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's say we want to clear. This is bit number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for example, bit we have initially have 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So let's for example, we want to set this bit number 4 to 1. How to do that? All right. So we always 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? You all this, with this, so you will have 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So you set this bit alone. All right. Okay. That is the use of OR in microprocessor. Most of the time we use OR to set any bit inside register and use AND to clear any bit inside the register. All right. So in this case, you OR this value. So this value in hexadecimal is what? This is 0, 1, 1, 0, 6. 6. This one is C. All right. So this is 6C in hexadecimal. This one 1, 0. Okay. So you always 1, 0. 6C you always with 1, 0 you have this. Okay. Any question? If no question, we see in the Kill microcontroller view vision. All right. Good. So far so good. Okay. Good. So let's look at the Kill. So let's see. In the Kill, let's have. Now we don't want this, right? We want to set this. So this one should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, FF, right? FF. So we have this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want this 2 to be FF, to be FF. So now we OR So the instruction is O, O, R, yeah, O. Okay. So let's so we have to compile the program first. So let's compile. Okay. Now let's do this. All right, we have this in R0, this in R1. So another time we will have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F, F. Okay, that is the use of all. All right, now we answered question 2 already. Okay, any question? If no question, we go to question number 3.